You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this town in Georgia correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Georgia, stay tuned, we've got many more coming up. How do you say it? Well, it's actually Walthourville. Walt, like Walt, hour. The H is not pronounced, so it's not Walthourville. 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 And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.